Hey guys, hope you all had a cheerful week. So today we are going to be making our own airplane. It is no ordinary airplane, not like the ones which we used to make in our schools and have fun with, but a different kind. So without a further ado, let's move on to making the airplane. So guys, for this you'll need some sticky tape, straw, a pair of scissors and some stiff paper or cardboard. So you're gonna first cut out 3 strips of 2.5 centimeter width and 13 centimeter length each. So now that we have these strips ready, we'll move on to the assembly of the plane. Get rid of the stretchable part of the straw. I'm gonna cut till here. And then take one of the cards and then tape it in a hoop. Overlap the edges a bit like this so that the ends are secured very well. Put another piece of tape to the ring so that it is secured to the straw. Next step, you take the other 2 strips and make a bigger loop using both of these, just like this, somewhat like this. Secure it with tape. It's ready. Looks like this. Let's get into frying it. So this weird looking plane, it flies way faster and farther than any other paper planes we make. So this is because of air resistance. So there are 2 different sizes of loop here. The bigger loop creates air resistance, otherwise known as drag. So when this happens, it helps keep the straw upright so that the straw doesn't tip over or turn over during its flight. So hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure you like, share, hit the bell icon and subscribe to the Science Orb for quality content from my side. And also don't forget to leave your comments down below. Bye, meet you next week.